Okay, so now let's make the function for this cart icon. Okay, so currently it is showing 0 because this is a static one, but we want to make this dynamic. Okay, so and when we click on the cart icon, we should be able to see the cart, the cart page. This is basically the number of cart items that are inside the the cart. So we actually need to calculate the cart items quantity and print it here. All right, so let's go to the code editor, and inside the carts what we will do is we will create one context processor. Okay, just create a new file and say context underscore processors dot py. So here we will be working with the two models. The first one is the cart and the second one is the cart item. Okay, so let's bring them in. From dot models import cart and cart cart item. Okay, all right, so now what we will do is we will make a function counter. Okay, with that let's pass the request, and here first of all let's handle it for the admin. Okay, so if admin in request path, then let's return the empty dictionary here, because if we are inside the admin, so then we don't want to see anything here. Okay, so and in the else case, let's make a try block here, and let's first get the cart. Okay, so for that what we will do is we will just say cart equal to cart dot objects, and let's filter it by the cart id. Okay, so cart id is equal to the cart id underscore cart id with the request. So this cart id contains the session key, right? So and next let's bring the corresponding cart item. Okay, so now cart items. Okay, one thing I forgot is we want to bring this in. Okay, by default it is not available here. Okay, in this context processor we just want to bring that in from where is it? I think it is inside the views of these cards, right? Here it is. So let's say from dot import underscore cart id. Okay, so this dot means this we are referring to the views of this current directory. Okay, and the cart items equal to cart item dot objects dot all, and now let's filter it by the cart equal to cart, and we only need one result. Okay, and I think this should bring us the cart items. All right, so now we want to access the cart items quantity, right? Because the quantity is inside the cart items. If you want to see that here, the cart items quantity, we want to get here, right? So what we'll do is we will look through the cart items for cart item in cart items. So here what we should do is we should let's say cart count equal to cart count. This is how we write cart count plus cart item dot quantity. Okay, so this should be our calculation, but in short what we do is we just say cart count plus equals cart item dot quantity. Okay, so this is just the same as the previous one, and one thing here, we just need to initialize this cart count, otherwise we get the error. Okay, so once we create a the function, we will just say cart count equal to, initially it is 0, right? and cart count equal to, all right. So now for the what if the cart does not exist? So that's inside the except block, except cart dot does not exist. Then what we'll do is cart item will be 0, right? And I think that's all. And let's just return the dictionary dict card count equal to card count. All right, so this is I think this is enough to get the number of cart items. Okay, and we are using this here inside the cart process, I mean the context processors, right? So for that we should go to the settings.py file and just go to here inside the templates, and here let's say carts dot context processors dot the counter. All right, and make the comma here. So now let's locate where is the this icon here. We want to change this 0 to the dynamic number, right? So we'll go to the code editor again, and that is inside the navbar, right? Templates includes and navbar.html, and scroll down. Here it is. This is the shopping cart icon, and you can see the 0 here. This is the static value, and here we want to print the cart count. Okay, cart underscore count, and once we click on that cart, the cart icon, this should go to the cart page, right? So that's why we will link this href to url space cart. So that should work, I think. And now let's try that. Make sure the server is running. Yes, it is running. And go to here, refresh. All right, something is wrong, cannot import name. All right, so one mistake we did is here what is that? Cart ID, right? Okay, so this is dot views. I'm sorry for that, and save it and refresh. All right, so this is now showing 1 in the cart. Let's see if yeah it is 1, and let us just increment it by another 1, and you can see the number has increased. And if you minus it, and it is currently updating properly. And let's do one thing, and let's go to this product and add this product to the cart, and now you can see the number is getting increased. All right, so this I think this is enough for the cart icon functionality. Okay, at least for this project. Okay, all right, so I'll see you next.